Lesson number 4, revision. Okay, so first question is, I want this question answer in a chat box, okay? So your first question on your screen, that is the temperature range help the wind in its work. Rewrite the correct statement. Okay, I got the answer from Bhumi Tiwari. Sanskar, write this answer, Revati, in a chat box. Don't raise your hand. Manjima, okay. Still I'm waiting for Menis. Sanskar, Revati. Okay, what about others? Write the answer in a chat box. Ashka. Okay, so who will give me this answer orally? Now, I want this answer orally. Who will give me? Just raise your hand. Okay, I will select. Okay, Akansha, I unmuted you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Tell me the answer of first question.
Reverse smoke is more prominent than other agents of erosion.
No. First question, dear. The temperature range help the wind in its work. What's the answer? Correct or incorrect? Akansha, are you there? Okay. Okay, Aditya, I unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, it is correct.
Okay, correct. Good. So now we will move to the next question. That is, river work is more prominent than other agents of erosion in desert region. So just write this answer in a chat box. I want to know how many students are attentive. Okay, Revati has given. Sanskar, Ashka, Anushka. Okay, Ashka, I unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, the answer is incorrect because the wind's work is more prominent than other agents of erosion in desert regions.
Very good. Okay, who will give me this answer? This answer again I want. Okay, Anushka, I unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
The answer is incorrect. Work of energy is more prominent in desert region than other agents of erosion.
Yes, very good. Now we will move to the next question. That is, the work of a groundwater is effective in an area with soft rock. Okay, all are saying the answer over here. And the same answer is coming Bhumi Tiwari, Anushka, Manjima, Revati, Yuvraj. Yes, the answer is correct. Very good, student. Okay, now move to the next. That is the work of a wind is not limited like a river, glaciers, or a sea waves and take place everywhere. What's the answer? It's correct or incorrect? Okay, I got so many answers over there. From Bhumi Tiwari, Yuvraj, Ashka, Sanskar, Revti. The same person is giving the answer in a chat box. What about others? Okay, Bhumi, Chatpar, 9B. Okay, I unmuted you. Issue is there? Okay, fine. No issue. Okay, Bhumi Patil, I unmuted you. Just accept the command.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Tell me the answer of fourth question. It's correct or incorrect? Bhumi, are you there? Your voice is not coming. I think you're okay. I'm muted you. Okay, Arpita, and unmuted you. So I'm not written in this screen. Okay. So your first question is, listen it carefully. The sediment carried by the glaciers are called dash. The sediment carried by a glaciers are called dash. Very good, students. Anushka, Bhumi Tiwari, Revti. And your options is sediment, silt, moraines, or alluvium. Manjima, okay, very good. What about others? Okay, I want this answer someone from orally. Who will give me answer? Okay, Revti, I unmuted you.
Ma'am, the answer is moraines.
Very good. Now the next I ask you, that is the landform developed in a limestone areas are also called as dash landforms. Again, I am repeating the question. The landforms developed in the limestone areas are also called as dash landforms. Your option is lime, sinkhole, crest, or coastal. Very good, student. I got so many answers over here. Anushka, Bhumi Tiwari, Sanskar Singh, Revti. The same person is answering. Okay, I want answer from orally. Who will give me this answer orally? Okay, Sanskar, I unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, the answer is crust.
Okay, your answer is,
The
you're
answer
saying
is
crust.
crust.
Okay, crust. Okay, very good. You can
Yes.
mute yourself. Okay. So before that, we again go to the answer in a brief. Okay. Before going to the correct and incorrect statement, we will go to the answer in brief. So here I will not ask you any answer in brief. What we will do, I will ask you point-wise answer. I show you, like, the first question is, list the landforms that are a result of the erosional works of a river. Now, who will tell me the answer of this question? Okay. Two hands are up. Okay, very good, students. Okay, Manjima, I unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Your first question, what is the answer of first question? List the landforms that are a result of the erosional works of a river.
Landforms that are a result of the erosional works of the rivers are gorges, V-shaped valleys, and waterfalls.
And explain the V-shaped valley.
Okay. V-shaped valley. A V-shaped valley is formed due to the erosional work of a river. Over a period of time, the amount of load in the flow starts increasing, and more energy of the river gets consumed in transporting the material. As a result, less erosion of the bed is there. The erosion along the banks and the slopes of the valley also increases due to this. Hence, the slopes recedes and the valley with near vertical sides become wider, resembling the letter V.
Okay, very good, Manjima. Now I want that the other will explain George. Who will explain George? Okay, Aditya Hardas, I unmuted you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Teacher, start.
Yes, you can start.
A gorge is found in the upper course of the river. It is deep and narrow valley with steep side. In a mountainous area, the river flows with great speed. Therefore, the bed of the river gets eroded more than its banks, giving rise to a gorge that has a steep banks and a narrow bed.
Okay, very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, Aditya Malusare, I unmuted you. Just explain me waterfall.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
Waterfall. Waterfalls are formed as a result of erosional work of the river. Water falling over the hilly region splashes down deep, forming a waterfall. In the areas where the hard and soft rock are next to each other, the soft rocks and are erode faster than the hard ones. A difference in the height along the river beds leads to the formation of waterfalls.
Very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, now we will move to the next question. That is, which agent is responsible for the formation of stalactite and stalagmite, and where are they formed? Okay. Okay, Sujal, I unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Can I tell?
Yeah, you can.
The agent of carbonation CO2 and H2O when reacts with calcium carbonate changes to calcium bicarbonate.
Your voice is not coming. It's breaking, beta. Sujal, okay, is I'm properly audible, student? Because
of the limestone caves. As a result, and as it affects stalactites and stalagmites are formed there.
Okay, very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, students. So now the next question we are moved. That is, list the landforms that are produced by the depositional works of the sea waves. So there are so many landforms are there, like beaches are there, sandbars are there, lagoons are there. These are the landforms which are produced due to the depositional works of the sea waves. So now I want the first answer, that is beach. How the landform beach is produced through sea waves? Who will tell me? Okay, what about others? Only one? Okay, Manjima, I unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me, list the landform that are produced by the depositional work of the sea waves. Name that landforms.
Landforms that are produced due to the depositional work of the sea waves are beaches, sandbar, lagoons, etc.
So tell me the explanation of beaches.
In the areas between two adjoining headlands, large amount of sediments come from the landward side. Moreover, in these shallow areas, the velocity of the waves decreases. As a result, the sediments that come from the land as well as coming from the deep sea deposit in this area, and
Very,
fine sand gets settled along the coast. Such sandy deposits along the coast are called beaches.
yes, very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, only three are there. Three students are intelligent. What about others? Okay, Disha, I unmuted you. If you don't know the answer, you okay, as I got an answer, Bhumi Tiwari, Revati, Ashka, Sanskar, Anjali, Manjima. Okay, so Anjali, I unmuted you. I unmuted you.
Good
Tell me the
morning, ma'am.
answer. Good morning.
The material deposited at the base of no, the material deposited along the bank of the glacier is called lateral moraines.
Yes, very good. Okay, so now we got that. Now I want terminal moraines. What is mean by terminal moraines? Who will tell me? Okay, only one, two. What is terminal moraines? Okay, fine. Same student are coming. Let me. Okay, Aryan Salunki, I unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is mean by terminal moraines? What happened? You don't know?
Ma what? Ma'am, the
Your voice is breaking. Huh. Say it. Now speak it. It's properly. I think there is some internet issue. Okay, fine. Okay, Manjima, I unmuted you. Tell me what is mean by lateral moraine. Sorry, terminal moraine.
Yes, teacher.
What is mean by terminal moraine?
Due to the moraine deposited in huge quantity when the glacier turns into a stream is at terminal part of a glacier. That's why it is called as terminal moraine.
Yes, very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, Bhumi, I unmuted you. Bhumi Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am. Sediments that are carried by glacier, which are deposited in the edge or end side of the glacier, are known as terminal moraines.
Very good. You can mute yourself. Okay, so as we see that, now I ask you some answer in one sentence, okay? Okay, very good, Dakshita, as you write answer properly in the chat box. Okay, so your first question is name the agents of erosion. Name the agents of erosion. Write the answer in a chat box. Name the agents of erosion. Now no one will raise their hand. Just write in a chat box, okay? Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 people's answer. 4. Okay, again I am repeating the question. Name the agents of erosion. Name the agents of erosion. Okay, good students. From Anushka, Sejal, Aryan, Bhumi, Ashka. No, Ashka, it is not deposition. From deposition, how it erosion will form. Purva, very good. After from long time, the groundwater levels sink down in a season. The groundwater level sink down in a dash season. Write the answer in a chat box. In which season? Summer, winter, rainy or spring? Okay, Aryan, Salunke, Manasvi, Bhumi Tiwari, Anushka, Manjima, Akansha, Revati, Anjali. Okay, I again repeat the question. The groundwater levels sink down in a dash season. Okay, Tarun, Aryan Yadav. Okay, Tarun, I unmuted you. Tell me the answer.
Summer.
Okay, good. Now the next question is, stalactite grow dash downward, upward, sideward or fast? Stalactite grow dash. Revati. Okay, Revati answered me. Bhumi, Ashka, Anushka. So all are answering different way. Manjima, okay. So some are saying upward and someone are saying downward. But the correct answer is downward. Good student who answer me correct. Okay, now next question. That is the depositional works of groundwater form dash. Limestone caves, lagoons, ripple marks or selves. The depositional works of a groundwater form dash. Limestone caves, lagoons. Okay, very good students. Manjima, Anjali Gupta, Purva Tambe, Bhumi Tiwari, Akansha Chaturvedi, Revati Bhalerao, Sanskar Singh. Okay. Good. The answer is limestone caves. So this is the last question now I am asking because time is already ended. When many flow of water come together, dash is formed. Yes, very good, Bhumi Tiwari, Anjali Gupta, Vansh, Revati, Sanskar, Anushka, Akansha, Aryan. Okay. Good to see that